I'm Lola, and in this tutorial, we're going to show how to set up events and event listening with the daily video chat and conferencing plugin. So why might you want to use events? Events, there are several of them. You can enable them to customize the experience when specific actions occur during a call. Things like when a recording starts or when a user joins a meeting or leaves a meeting. There might be some things that you might want to do when those things happen in your Bubble app when you're using the plugin. And the events element in this tutorial is going to show you how to set it up so you can do that. So with all of that said, let's get started. I'm already inside a Bubble app. I have installed the plugin. If you haven't done that, check out the description for some information on how to do that with a little tutorial. But first things first is I like to put the daily events element inside a pop-up that never triggers. It keeps it out of the way. It doesn't affect the UI, but it's an important listener that kind of holds information in different states when things happen. So first I'm going to add a container pop-up, and then the events element, this daily events, I'm just going to drag it on there. And when I drag it on there in our workflows, we're going to get a lot of different potential events that we didn't have previously. So if we go to our elements, now we have, left meeting, join meeting, participant left, participant joined, active speaker change, recording started. And there are, in the plus version of the plugin, additional events as well. So let us kind of demo how all of this works in action. We will do a pages load as an event, and we'll quickly create a room, and we'll join a room. We will add the URL here, mostly for demonstration purposes. And the main thing to remember is, yes, the events are here, but in order for our app to really listen to events, we have to add the listening action right after we join the room. So daily begin event listening. And that is what we need on setup. Let's add another workflow here to do joined meeting. And we will actually just do an error alert. So I use the error alert plugin for this. Error alert plugin. Error alert plugin, you can get it. It's great for just Toast style notifications. It's completely free. I use it a lot in Bubble. And success, we joined. This is a very Spartan use case for joining a meeting or for using the events, but you can imagine you could do all sorts of different workflows, that whether it's making data changes in your app or redirecting users to a different page when they leave the meeting or having them do something else. These can be very helpful. So let's demo this workflow. See how it goes. Demo it. So we are in our app. We are going to join our app. Oh, great. It triggered. And that's basically how you set it up. Would love to hear what you would do with this. Drop a comment of what you're going to build with events and the daily plugin. And thanks for tuning in.